พูดกับโมมา
ทำอยู่แล้วลงก็ออกในออกมา
Who did not see their test?
ห้ามเลือกแบบนี้นะ
วิ่งที่เนี่ยวิ่งที่เนี่ยเลย
Oh boy.
โอเคโอ้ยอีกอันน้อย
You know we're on unit 10 now?
โอเค
Huh? So that means unit 10, okay? Then final test, and then you're finished with GEIO, with top notch 1. Huh? You excited? To go to top notch 2 for students? I'm so sad.
มีชื่อ
Me too.
I will miss you
Yeah. Do you have any questions about the test? Huh? Questions? I'm nervous.
It's okay.
No?
Có bữa thứ hai
Okay, so we're gonna study Unit 10 today and start with vocabulary, okay? So go to page 112. 112. So you know when you travel, you use money, right? You need to use money when you travel, right?
Yeah.
So today on page 112, we're learning six words you can use for when you travel, okay? So the first one, tell me if you understand, okay? Traveler's check. What is a traveler? Oh no, what is travel? Travel.
How it is
Huh?
yeah
ท่องเที่ยวไปเที่ยว
trip look like trip yes
Huh?
look like trip yes
What's traveler?
นักเดินทาง
Huh?
person
Someone who's traveling,
Yes.
okay? What is a check?
กดกลับกดกลับ say this say something before
Like, no. So, yeah, it could be check like, beep, right? Or it could be like, you know, every month you'll get money if you work, right? You'll get a paycheck. So a traveler's check is a check that you sign your name on, okay? Because, you know, when you, who has a wallet?
ระหว่างเดินอยู่ตรงมือเลย
Who has a wallet? อีกเปล่าเลย
ผู้ใดมีบอลอะไรเนี่ยบอล
Okay, so here's my wallet. So when you travel, you could use money like this, right? Or you can use a traveler's check. And a traveler's check is like a check with your name on it, okay? So for example, here's some. So if I have money in my wallet, someone can take it, right? And use the money, right?
โอเค
But if you have a traveler's check with your name on it, and someone takes your traveler's check, they cannot use it, right? Because it has my name on it. That's like all. Okay, so a traveler's check is a check with your name on it, and only you can use it. Okay? So a check only you can use. Okay? So some people when they travel, they get a traveler's check. And so no one can use their money. Only they can. Okay? Understand? Yes. Next one. Credit card. What is a credit card? Credit card. This is a credit card, right? Okay? And you can use this in many countries to get money. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Visa. Okay, credit card. What is ATM? ATM.
ตู้ ATM
How do you say the map?
ตู้ ATM
Oh, ATM. Okay, so ATM, you use your credit card, you put it in, right? And then you take out money. Yeah. So you know already. I don't have to write it. Okay. Changing money. So when you go to Thailand, can you use this?
No
No. What do you do?
Jane
Change the money, right? You change the money from. You change the money from keep to baht, right? Okay? If you go to Korea, okay? You go from Laos to Korea, what do you have to do?
ว่าเรียนเป็นเงินเนี่ยก่อน
What do you use?
วอนยูวอน
Wow!
Yes.
Yeah. Good job.
จือมาจากหนังอันวันเงินโม
If you go from Laos to America, what do you do?
อเมริกา US ดารา
How do you say it?
ดารา
USD, right? US dollars. USD. Okay? So when you go to a different country, you usually need to change the money to that country, right? Yeah? Okay. How about bargaining? What is bargaining? They don't really have this in America. They have this in Laos a lot. For example,
ต่อราคา
for example, okay. Oh, Thai need, okay.
70,000 กีบ
Oh, pig pot. Do Thai ball.
No
Huh.
that is
Right? Bargaining, okay? Because if you are shopping, what do you say? Okay, good, thank you. So if you are shopping, you want to pay a little, right? And if you are a salesperson, you want to sell for very much, right? And so bargaining is trying to get a better price, okay? Trying to get a better price. Okay? That's called bargaining. Yeah? One more word. Tipping.
either you at in USA and I American no
No. In America, everything is like, this is $5, this is $1, this is $10. You cannot sell it for more. That's the same. Okay?
ดูลองดูเขาได้
So it's very fun in Laos to bargain. You know? How about tipping? What's tipping? Tip. Tip. Someone explain
ทิป
what
ทิป
tip
ปิ้ง
is.
เงินทิปนะยิบเสิร์ฟเด็กเสิร์ฟนะมอแต่
Yeah.
ใช่
Okay, so if someone does good service, Bolikandi.
yes
Bolikandi, okay? You will give them extra money to say thank you, right? So tipping is giving extra money
เมนอยู่ก่อนเมนเซอร์วิสก่อน
to say
ทู
thank